When you're thinking about setting up your company in the UAE and you want to bring some of your culture into the UAE company and you think the handbook that you have in the UK office or the US office is a great way to start, and have you wondered whether you can use that in the UAE? Then stick around because this episode is going to answer that question. So, a lot of our clients, specifically coming from the US and the UK, they always feel like the best way for them to bring their culture or their organization style is to introduce this document, which we all call as employee handbook, which contains a lot of information about their company. So when they're hiring internationally, what they want to do is bring the same culture into all the international organizations or international offices that they have. So that's the first thing that we ask is, they have a UK handbook and we want to have the same handbook in the UAE. Can that be done? And much as I like to say, yes, of course you can do that, the answer is not so straightforward. And a lot of that answer goes back to the answer that we always give, which is it depends. And a lot of the handbook can be bought into the UAE, but not all of it. And this is a key differentiator, right? You want to bring the culture, you want to bring the style of your organization. You could certainly do that through the tone and the language. But you are going to be basing yourself in an international location. Specifically, let's talk about Dubai, right? In Dubai, when you're attracting talent and when you're hiring talent, you're not hiring somebody from Dubai alone. You're hiring somebody from Dubai who is either Indian or a British or an Emirati or a Filipino. So there is a huge local context that you need to be conscious of while developing this document. So can you just plug in a UK handbook? This is why it's not possible. The second reason is also the laws are different. The laws of the UK provide for the businesses in the UK. The laws of the UAE provide for the businesses in the UAE. So your handbook needs to kind of reflect the local laws. So from that perspective as well, you cannot have a copy paste sort of style of the handbook. And the third one, which is especially how the employees or the talent in UAE understand how organizations are set up. What is their terminology? What is their language? Like, is leave or is leave vacations? And if you know what the difference of the two words mean. So it's very important to reflect your own company, but also reflect the local flavor of the organization. And that's when I think you get the best of both worlds. And that's what your handbook, which is something that you should be developing specific to UAE, build on the strengths that you bring in from your home office. So think about your UK handbook as a starting point, but not a finishing point. So build on your UK handbook, have it reviewed by somebody who understands this upmakes, and then they're able to bring a handbook that truly reflects your international office, especially in Dubai, because you're not hiring from one nationality, you're hiring from 200 different nationalities, a new law to be worked with, new compliance requirements, and new style of business. So all of that should be, what your handbook should show. So I hope you enjoyed understanding how a handbook can be brought in from the UK or the US or any other part of the world and made it from a UAE point of view. That's all for today. I hope you found this information useful. And if you did, please share it. And if you loved, please subscribe to our channel so you get more content. And if you have questions, then please feel free to write them in the comments and we look forward to answering them. Bye for now.